can I hear from each one of you? Let's try once again. Good morning, everyone. That's lovely. On behalf of Kratikal Tech Limited, I'm your host, Namrata Bhanushali, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure to welcome you all today at this significant milestone of the company. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence here this morning. We are delighted to have you all here as we mark a significant milestone in the company's journey. Today, we embark on the listing of the equity shares of Kratikal Tech Limited on the BSE Limited, a momentous occasion for the company. So let's start this beautiful morning with a huge round of applause, everyone. Thank you. Before we commence our ceremony, I request all of you to please rise for the national anthem.
Jana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladhi Taranga Tava Shubha Name Jage Tava Shubha Ashish Mange Gahe Tava Jaya Gatha Jana Gana Mangala Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He
Jai. Jai Hind. Please settle down, all of you. Thank you so much. On this momentous occasion of the listing of equity shares of Kratikal Tech Limited, we would like to welcome our esteemed dignitaries who have joined us today. I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly stand for a moment and acknowledge the audience as I take the names. First and foremost, we would like to welcome Mr. Pawan Kumar, Chairman, Managing Director, and CEO of Kratikal Tech Limited. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause, everyone. Welcome, sir. A very warm welcome to you. Thank you. Now we would like to welcome Mr. Paratosh Kumar, Whole-Time Director of Kratikal Tech Limited. Welcome, sir. Thank you so much. Let's welcome Mr. Deep Jung Thapa, Promoter and Chief Operating Officer of Kratikal Tech Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Now let's welcome our host, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME of BSE Limited. A very warm welcome to you, ma'am. Thank you so much for gracing the occasion. We would also like to extend a hearty welcome to the book running lead manager who played an integral part in the success of this IPO. Let's welcome CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Thank you. Let's welcome CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you. Let's also welcome CA Yashika Gyanchandani from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Welcome, ma'am. Thank you. And now I request the director of the company to kindly felicitate our guest with a lovely bouquet of flower. I request Mr. Pawan Kumar to please come forward. Thank you. Yes, sir, please. Now I would like to invite Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME at BSE Limited. Let's have a huge round of applause, all of you. Thank you, ma'am. It's a token of appreciation from the company to BSE. Pawan sir, I request you to please be here as now I welcome Mr. CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Thank you, sir. I would also like to call upon CA Yogesh Jain from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Pawan, sir. All right. It is believed that lighting of lamp brings prosperity, welfare, and positivity in and around of us. So let's commence this auspicious occasion by lighting of the ceremonial lamp. I request our dignitaries, Mr. Pawan Kumar, Mr. Paratosh Kumar, Mr. Deep Jung Thapa, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, C.A. Nikhil Shah, and C.A. Yogesh Jain to please join us near the lamp for the lamp lighting ceremony. I also request the family members to please come ahead.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः स्वच्छाहि मे सदा शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः
Thank you so much. Thank you everyone for gracing this tradition and setting the tone. Thank you. We have created. And the future with hope. And today we are gathered here to celebrate such a milestone. includes people security management delivered through its proprietary ThreatCorp platform that helps mitigate human-related cyber risks, and its services portfolio comprises technology and process security services, which include vulnerability assessment and penetration testing, VAPT, application and infrastructure security, red team exercises and governance, risk and compliance, GRC services, supported by its AI-driven AutoSect and VMDR platform. And now we will play a short video of the company, so I request all of you to please have your attention on the screen. Thank you.
Accelerates across industries, cyber risk is no longer a possibility. It is a constant. Enterprises today are not just adapting to this reality, but are rethinking how they secure their people, process, technology stack at scale. At the center of this transformation stands Kratikal Tech Limited. Founded in 2013, Kratikal Tech Limited is an India-based cybersecurity company operating across the people, process, technology stack, delivering integrated cybersecurity and compliance-driven solutions. The company delivers AI-driven, SaaS-led cybersecurity solutions through two integrated business verticals: people security management and technology and process security services. Through its advanced platforms, ThreatCorp and the AI-powered AutoSect, Kratikal enables enterprises to identify vulnerabilities, prioritize risks, and build resilience across their entire digital ecosystem. From human layer risk to infrastructure security, we cover the full spectrum. Our People Security Management (PSM) capabilities, delivered through the ThreatCorp platform, are designed to reduce human-related cyber risks by transforming employees from potential vulnerabilities into active defenders. Security awareness, phishing simulation, email authentication, incident response, because cybersecurity isn't just about systems, it's about behavior. Complementing this, our AI-driven platform, AutoSect provides continuous vulnerability discovery, intelligent risk prioritization, and automated remediation workflows, enabling scalable, enterprise-grade protection across applications, APIs, cloud environments, and infrastructure. Intelligent automation, actionable insights, continuous protection. Together, these integrated offerings deliver end-to-end security across the people, process, technology stack, enabling organizations to proactively identify, prioritize, and mitigate cyber risks while strengthening their overall security posture in an increasingly complex threat landscape. These efforts aim to expand market presence and reach enterprises across geographies in an increasingly competitive cybersecurity landscape. Kratikal Tech Limited is led by a promoter-driven leadership team under the guidance of Pawan Kumar, Chairman, Managing Director, and CEO, who brings over a decade of experience in cybersecurity and SaaS platforms. Supported by Paratosh Kumar and Dip Jangthapa, along with an experienced management team across product, operations, and growth, the company combines entrepreneurial agility with strong governance and disciplined execution. With a presence across 24 states in India and customers in 24 countries, Kratikal serves enterprises across 12+ industries, including BFSI, technology, healthcare, manufacturing, and government. Powered by a growing team of 200 employees, the company is built in India and scaling globally. With certain empanelment and alignment with leading global frameworks, including ISO, SOC 2, RBI, SEBI, GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, Kratikal Tech stands strongly positioned at the intersection of compliance-driven cybersecurity demand and digital transformation. In a world defined by rapid digital growth and evolving cyber threats, organizations need more than just security. They need a partner who can secure the people, process, technology stack together. Kratikal Tech Limited.
Thank you. Now, 7 crores, showcasing the immense confidence investors have in a company's growth and potential. Let's have a huge round of applause for this. Thank you. And now it is my pleasure to welcome a visionary leader who has been instrumental in driving the company's growth and success since inception. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Pawan Kumar, Chairman, Managing Director, and CEO of Kratikal Tech Limited, to share his inspiring journey and vision. Over to you, sir.
Hi everyone, and a very good morning, not evening, but I feel that generally I don't have a stage fear, but today I think the day is so big that I feel a little kind of nervous. But before I start, thank you everyone. I think half of my team is here. So cheers to you guys, start with a clap. So today I think, we were just discussing about what to say, what not to say, especially when we are just doing this. I was sitting in the night with Deep Jung and Paratosh, who's my co-founders, and what exactly we want to tell this story, because everyone has heard our story multiple times on multiple platforms. So I think what I figured out that, okay, let me tell them a story about a person who has nothing and started building something over the period of time, right? So I'll start with myself, and I think the same story resonates with Paratosh as well as Deep Jung, right? So I grew up in a very small village in Bholpura, which is nearby to Agra. I worked along with my mother in the farms to kind of get the ends meet. The biggest thing that I think helped us so far where we have reached today is the education, right? So what we did is that we spent most of the time either in the farm or in the school. So, and that kind of led us to get into selection in IIT, which is previously called IIEEE, and that's where I kind of landed in NIT Allahabad. The interesting story is, while in the first day of college, right, when I and my father was there, we were thinking that, interestingly, we were thinking that, okay, how kind of we gonna pay the next 4 years kind of fee, right? But touch wood, when the SBI happens and they kind of granted me a loan, and then that's how the entire system worked, right, for me, especially on that side. What I really want to tell you in this small piece of thing is that from there to kind of subscribing to roughly around 5,000 crore in a BSE is something that this country gives you. The education system of this country gives you. So everyone who's listening to me, please be ready, work hard, I think learn hard, try to make sure that you put every piece of yourself to work and kind of educate yourself in that scenario. So to everyone who's working day and night, who's working too much hard to build their startup, this is generally for you. Now coming back to how we started, right? So I think the interesting part is, when I came to college, I created my first email account. So it was a Gmail account, and I think after 6 months, I received an email. I clicked on that email, and as soon as I clicked on the email, the hacker was able to get access to my email ID and password. And once they get this access, they were able to kind of post a lot of garbage content on my profile. And that, being a kid, right, it is very much, I would say, disheartening to see that content on that social media profile. And my room number was 86. My co-founder, who's Paratosh Bansal, whose room number was 90. And we were discussing this, that how this can happen. And then I ran to the aim and then said, man, let's just figure this out. Try to find out that how a hacker can get into my account, get in my access, and push the garbage content on the Facebook or social media profile. I and Paratosh dig down more and find out there is not only one way, there was hundreds of ways by which you can hack an account, right? And that's where we felt that if this is a problem for us, we did a little bit of dig more down on that particular path, and then we figured out that 95% of the problem that you see in your day-to-day life in terms of cybersecurity involves a human. And that's where we thought, let's build something in this. In 2013, we registered this company. That was our second year of our college. In 15, we got passed out. Meanwhile, I and Deep Jung, who's my another co-founder, was working tirelessly in different venues all together in the college. When we passed out, right, we had a great jobs, honestly. Like the loan that I talked about could be paid in a 1 month salary. That's the kind of money that you have. And I tried convincing my parents, even as well as Parato's parents. And I still remember, Uncle, that day when we were in a railway station, and I was convincing that let Paratos go with me, and then let us run this company, right? And thank you so much for allowing this. What we did is we just directly booked up a train from Allahabad to Delhi, and we never looked back. After 2 years of time, we kind of got, in early 2017, we got our first check. The first check was written by Mr. Amajit Gupta, who was supposed to be here, but because of the rain, he was not here. He's the guy who kind of trusted us when we had nothing. It's just a belief, it's just a confidence of 3 people who was trying to build something hard, and he trusted us with that money, along with the other people like Sanjeev Bidekar sir and Praveen Dubey sir. From there, we, I think, got our first customer. And thank you so much, Vikas sir, for giving that opportunity to us. That it really means a lot, right? I know, honestly, that customer is with us till today. It's like 2017 to till now. And we made sure that we give the utmost priority and the services to those people who kind of believe on us. From there, I think that's the first, from uncertainty, no guarantee, to first check, first customer, and first conviction, right? Deep Jung joined us full time, and from there, we never looked back. In 18, we again raised a little bit amount of money. Thank you, Rajiv, Anurod, and Artha Ventures, VIT Capital, and CK Sharma sir to kind of helping us out at that point in time. From there till 5 years, we never raised money, and we kind of been profitable from last 4 or 5 years, right? We have been continuously growing roughly around 50 to 60% speed on a CAGR. And I'm proud to say that we have roughly around 5.6 million users who kind of receive security awareness training, roughly around 677 plus customer across the globe. After that, I think we started growing. We was not only in India, but we started in Middle East. I was there for 2 years, building that entire journey and template. From there, we moved to US. Now we have a customer which you already saw in 24 different countries. I think one of the person was asking me what brings you every day to the office, right? And I think the most important part that helps me and keeps me wake up is that if you look at the data, right, there is not a single large cybersecurity product company from India in the world. If you look at the companies that you see in the US, be it the largest endpoint protection, which does $4.5 billion as in revenue, the largest email security, which does $2.5 billion as in revenue, they are all, interestingly, they are all US company run by Indian founders or Indian CEOs. And I think that's where the gap is, right? We are a heavy consumer. We have a 13 billion market share, especially in this space. So I think what we wanted to become is one of the largest cybersecurity company in the world. And that will be possible with the people who are sitting here, be it my mentors, be it my engineers, be it my customer, be it my teammates, everyone who has contributed to this journey. And this journey is just a start. It's not the finish line. And let me tell you, we're just still on a $5 to $6 million. I wanted to become one of the world's largest company in the world. So that's the challenge that we're gonna kind of take it forward from here. And if I don't mention my parents and my wife in this journey, I think that's not fair. So thank you so much, Niharika, for listening to all the conversation, even helping me out with this script, right? You have been an amazing partner in my life, and I don't think so that I would have be able to achieve what I'm able to achieve today. Thank you, Papa. My mom is in traffic, but I think thank you so much. जो भी आपने किया, जितना भी मुझे help किया आपने इस पूरे journey में, उसके लिए thank you so much. My brothers, I think we have all grown in that small house till now, and I think you guys, all guys are doing great. So thank you so much for being one of my strongest arms whenever I needed at any of the places. So I think I just wanted to leave the stage with one thought, that let's just make world's largest company built by an Indian, not outsourced from somewhere, not a services company, not for someone else, for the India. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for enlightening us with your inspiring words. Now, I would like to invite Mr. Paratosh Kumar, Whole-Time Director of Kratikal Tech Limited, to share a few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
So Pawan has just taken you back to the story. I think all of you have heard that story multiple times. So I'm not going to repeat that particular story, where the story started from hostel room till now. I'm glad he did, but the story just to be heard in his voice. Thank you, Pawan. He didn't just narrate our story, he lived every single moment with us, me and Deep. So I won't repeat the story. Let me talk you about what excites me the most, not where Kratikal came from, but where it is going next. Today, we are becoming a listed company. From today, this journey doesn't belong only to 3 of us and the employees, but it belongs to our shareholders too. This is a big responsibility, and honestly, that's exactly the kind of responsibility we have taken and we have worked best under. Now, everyone is talking about AI these days. So let me tell you in very simple words what Kratikal is doing in AI. From last 10 years, every time our team has tested systems for weaknesses, we didn't just fix the vulnerabilities, the problems and move on. We wrote everything down. Every test we ran, every step we took, every result we found in one carefully designed format. 10 years of that discipline means we are now sitting on lakhs of documented vulnerabilities. That data is our gold. And on that gold, we have trained our own AI, our own small language model, built entirely on Kratikal's knowledge, not borrowed from anyone else. For every feature in system, our AI knows thousands of tested ways to break it, which means we know thousands of ways to protect and fix it. This is not something we did once and finished. This knowledge is growing every single day. With every new test our team runs, our AI learns something more. What once lived today in our people's head now works alongside them at the speed and a scale that human alone could never match. That is the next chapter. That is what we are inviting our shareholders into. And none of this exists without the people. To every single person at Kratikal, whether you test, build, sell, hire, support, audit, or quietly keeping everything running inside the organization, Kratikal is what it is today because of you guys. Every milestone we ever reached, I'm also nervous. Including this one, is your work. Thank you, all of you. To our first clients who said yes when we had nothing to show but conviction, and to our investor who believed before there was a proof. Thank you for your faith, and to Beeline Capital Advisories, thank you for standing for us, with us, throughout every document, every late night, and helping us reach this milestone the right way. Thank you. Pawan and Deep, 13 years of our arguing, trusting, and somehow always pulling in the same direction. So I couldn't have asked for better partners. और अब मेरी फैमिली, मम्मी, पापा, भाई, 13 साल पहले जब ये सफ़र शुरू हुआ था, तब हमारे पास सिर्फ एक सपना था और आपका भरोसा. और वो भरोसा कभी कम नहीं हुआ और ना कभी होगा. ना अच्छे दिनों में, ना उन दिनों जब रास्ते बहुत मुश्किल थे. ये दिन हमारा है और उससे कहीं ज़्यादा आप लोगों का है. In few moments, the bell will ring, and it will ring for every one of you. And I promise the story now begins will be better than the one Pawan just told. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to invite Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSE, to share a few words on this special occasion. Over to you, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. Pawanji, such an inspiring story. Seriously, starting from a humble beginning as a startup and coming in 13 years to get listed on this prestigious Bombay Stock Exchange SME platform. And it's that you want to grow, and definitely we want you also to be the world's best cybersecurity company. Today, we are not just listing a company, but what I can understand something, I am a very lame person on a technology aspect, but I think this is a shield for what you're having, what the products are. It's a shield for Indian economy. It's like a kavach that you have, and we are listing this company, which is a very proud moment for us. Kratikal would be the 742nd company to be listed on the BSE SME exchange. And a lot of support has been given by Beeline, I should say that, for the listings made on the BSE. And today, I'm happy to say that we have 4 listings on the same day, and that's how the SME market is growing. And today, by your company listing, it's proving that it's not that only manufacturing company who require money for working capital or for capex can come and get listed or get and raise equity in the capital markets, but also, I believe, the companies as Kratikal who want to get money for marketing expenses also can, because marketing is a very important aspect in the whole business. The product development is there, but until you have people and manpower to market this is not going to grow. So raising money, raising capital, raising funds from the capital market for this aspect is also where SME, BSE SME can help you all. So we want more and more companies to come out of that thought that who can raise money? Only some people know. We have companies, small companies, big companies, all. So please do come forward and list on the exchange. You know, listing helps you to move from a small this to you have already a brand and visibility, but I'm sure this listing will help you get in more branding, more visibility because of the transparency and the stronger corporate governance aspects that you would build in the company. Today morning, there were some words of wisdom that they sent, and I thought, let me just share it with you. It said, success always hugs you in private, but failure slaps you in public. So we want the company to be more resilient toward the stakeholders, and every decision that they take, keep in mind the interest of all the stakeholders that you have, and I'm sure this will help the company grow. As far as BSE is concerned, we ensure our complete support to the company at all stages. We would like to congratulate the management, the promoters for all their hard work, as also to the BRLMs, Beeline, and all the other intermediaries involved to get you to this milestone. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for your speech. Well, now it is 9:56, almost at the time of bell ringing ceremony, so I request our dignitaries. Before that, as a significant gesture of this occasion, we will have the exchange of the mementos. First, we will present the memento from BSE to the company. And to do the honors, I request Radha ma'am to please come forward. To accept the honor, I invite Mr. Pawan Kumar, Chairman, Managing Director, and CEO of Kratikal Tech Limited, Mr. Paratosh Kumar, Whole-Time Director of Kratikal Tech Limited, and Mr. Deep Jung Thapa, Promoter and Chief Operating Officer. First, we will present a listing memento. I can see the happiness and excitement radiating from each one of you here. All right, all of you, let's start the countdown together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And congratulations. Congratulations, heartiest congratulations. With this ringing of the bell, the company Kratikal Tech Limited is now officially listed on BSE SME platform. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a huge round of applause here. Once again, big congratulations to the company. We have created history here. Let's capture this beautiful moment which we will cherish for a very long time to come. This is the sound of success, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will now continue with the exchange of mementos. I request all of you to please take your seats. After the ceremony, we will definitely have time for the photo ops. Thank you so much, all of you. A humble request to all of you, please take your seats. All right, I request you all to please take your seats as we have to continue the ceremony here. Thank you, and congratulations once again to Kratikal Tech Limited. Thank you so much.
Please, 5 minutes. I would like to invite all the team members, please come on the stage. This is as big as for us, like as big as for you guys. Please, all the Kratikal team members, please, can you come on the stage? I just bought some time, so please do. 2 minutes लगेंगे बस. And please be fast, otherwise they will. It's there. पीछे लगा हुआ है.
Thank you, employees of Kratikal and ThreadCorp. Now, we'd also like to request our customers, because of whom, the boss of everybody, we would like you to please come here and maybe have a photo and ring the bell as well. Vikas sir, Amit sir, Praveer sir. This will take a minute.
1 minute लगेगा. आपको तो इंजन लोग इवेंट का फ्लो सही कर देंगे. This is like big movement for us. Also, please, investors. Rajiv, please. Please, everyone, please. Dipanshu. Please join us. Sir, please. आप लोग तो सबसे पहले आना चाहिए था. Team में आना चाहिए. Thank you so much for us.
Thank you, all of you, and once again, congratulations. There's a lot of excitement here. We will have the time for photo ops after the ceremony as well. As of now, let's continue with the exchange of the mementos. I request Radha ma'am to please come on stage to present the memento from the BSE to our book running lead manager. Now, to accept the honor, I invite CA Nikhil Shah, CA Yogesh Jain, and CA Saurabh Jain, and Yashika ma'am to please come on stage. Congratulations. Thank you. Thank you so much, all of you. Now I would like to request CA Nikhil Shah, founder of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited, to share a few words on this occasion. Over to you, sir.
शुभारंभ सफलताया प्रथमम सोपानम. A good beginning is the first step towards success. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. सब भाव देखने में लग गए अभी ऐसा लग रहा है. On behalf of Beeline Capital Advisor Private Limited, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Pawan, Paratosh, Deep Chung, the entire management, employees, and all stakeholders of Kratikal Tech Limited on this remarkable occasion. Kratikal has emerged as a trusted AI-driven cybersecurity company offering innovative solutions through its proprietary ThreatCop platform and comprehensive cybersecurity services. मैंने पवन को 2 बार नर्वस होते हुए देखा है. आज उसने ऐसा बोला कि वो पहली बार नर्वस हुआ था, बट ही हैज़ बीन नर्वस फॉर 2 times विच आई हैव सीन. वो शादी के बाद वाली बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, पर जिस दिन IPO ओपन होने से एक दिन पहले ही टोल्ड मी दैट हाउ मच टाइम इट विल सब्सक्राइब. मैं बोला वो टेंशन मर्चेंट बैंकर का है, दैट इज़ नॉट अ टेंशन टू बी टेकन बाय द प्रोमोटर्स. एंड अगेन निखिल भैया क्या खुल जाएगा IPO लिस्टिंग वाले दिन. मैंने बोला दैट हैज़ टू बी डिसाइडेड बाय द इन्वेस्टर्स, नॉट बाय यू एंड मी. So that was the first time I have seen him nervous. Today I have seen him nervous for the second time. But the outstanding response to the IPO, a big round of applause that the IPO is subscribed 220 times. I'll put some numbers that against the 40 crore IPO, we have received subscriptions of more than 508,000 crores. Total number of applications was more than 125 lakhs. And we have received applications from more than 9,000 pin codes from India. So you have covered almost entire India. We are proud to have partnered with Kratikal on this journey. I sincerely thank Pawan, Paratosh, and Deep for placing trust in us. I also thank BSE Limited for providing such a wonderful platform. I also thank all investors, intermediaries, and specifically our team, Yashika, Priyanka, and Arpit, for their relentless efforts in this IPO, a grand success. Special thanks to Mukulji, Apurva, and Harshit. They have coordinated the entire IPO with us and the company. As Kratikal, this is your new journey. IPO is not the end, it's a new beginning. I wish you all the best for the next journey. Thank you very much.
Thank Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will present the mementos from the company to BSE. And to do the honors, I request Mr. Pawan Kumar to please come forward. And to accept the honor, I request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan to please come forward. Congratulations. Thank you. I request Radha ma'am to please be here, as now we will have the exchange of mementos from B line to BSE. And to do the honors, I request CA Nikhil Shah, CA Yogesh Jain, CA Saurabh Jain, and CA Yashika Gyanchandani to please come forward. Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, I request you to please be on stage. Now we will present the memento from company to partners. And to do the honors, I request Mr. Pawan Kumar to please come forward. And to accept the honor, I request CA Nikhil Shah to please come forward. The team backstage is also very excited. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Next, sir, please be here to exchange the rest of the mementos. Next, I invite CA Yogesh Jain, co-founder, Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Congratulations. Thank you. Now I invite CA Yashika Gyanchandani, Regional Head of Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. Please come forward and accept the honor. Congratulations. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Now, I request Mr. Paratosh Kumar to come forward to present the memento. And to accept the honor, I invite the Beeline team from Beeline Capital Advisors Private Limited. I request the entire team of Beeline to please come forward to accept the mementos. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Mukul Bansal, Mr. Harshit Bansal, and Mr. Apurva Bansal from MB Financial Services Limited to come forward and accept the honor. Congratulations. Thank you. I would also request Mr. Harshit Bansal and Mr. Apurva Bansal to please come forward. All right, they are not here. The gratitude remains. Mr. Mukul Bansal will accept the honor on behalf of both of them. Thank you. Next, I invite our market maker, Spreadex Securities Private Limited. Congratulations. Thank you. Now I invite CA Ankur Tayal and CA Ashutosh Garg, ATK and Associates. They are not present here, however, gratitude remains. Moving forward, thank you, sir. I request you to please take your seat. Next, I invite Mr. Deep Jung Thapa to present the memento. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Sunil Mudgal from Kirin Advisors Private Limited. Congratulations. Thank you. Now I invite Sheikh Mohammad Samir Ismail of Kafin Technologies Limited to please come forward. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please take this. All right, next mementos are from our book running lead manager. And to present the honor, I request CA Nikhil Shah to please come forward. I'm so sorry, I would request CA Yogesh Jain to please come forward to present the memento. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Pawan Kumar, Chairman, Managing Director, and CEO of Kratikal Tech Limited. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Yogesh, sir. Next, I invite CA Yashika Gyanchandani to present the memento. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Paratosh Kumar, Whole-Time Director of Kratikal Tech Limited. Congratulations. Thank you. Next, I invite Mr. Deep Jung Thapa, Promoter and Chief Operating Officer of Kratikal Tech Limited. Congratulations. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request Mr. Saurabh Jain to please come forward to present the memento. And to accept the honor, I invite Mr. Mukul Bansal, Mr. Harshit Bansal, and Mr. Apurva Bansal from MB Financial Services Limited. Congratulations. Thank you. Now I invite Mr. Vinay Singh, Chief Financial Officer of Kratikal Tech Limited. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Please take your seats. All right, it is now time to present the vote of thanks. And to do the honors, I request Mr. Deep Jung Thapa to please come forward. Over to you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here to deliver vote of thanks. Let me start with where everything started, the founders and promoters. Or wait, maybe we should start where these three multicellular organisms came from, their parents. Pawan ke papa and mummy, thank you so much, uncle, auntie. Pawan ko janm dene ke liye. Paratos ke papa, mummy, thank you so much, uncle, auntie, Parados ko janm dene ke liye. And to my dad, mom, dhanyavad malai janma dinu bhayeko ma. And to my thulo daddy for being my friends in childhood. Now to our employees, the 210 of you standing with us today, and the 270 who walked this path before and helped with the foundation. Founders dream. Employees wake up every day and build. Thank you so much, everybody, or to all the employees. This listing belongs to you as much as it belongs to us. To our customers, the real bosses of everybody. You trusted a young Indian company with the most sensitive part of your business, your cybersecurity. Companies don't reach a stock exchange because of pitch decks. They reach here because customers keep renewing every year. Thank you so much for the real bosses for keeping the lights on, literally. And a very special thank you to Vikas Yadav sir again. He's here today with us, our first ever customer who gave us the first ever order of ThreatCorp. Since that one order started everything. To our early investors, who are a couple of them are over here, you believed in us when we were 3 people with a laptop and too much confidence. Amadit sir, Praveen sir, Sanjeev sir, Anirudh, Rajiv sir, thank you so much for backing us. You didn't invest money in us, you invested trust. Today that trust is listed. To our merchant bankers, the Beeline Capital family, you handled our numbers, our paperwork, our panic calls, and our ek baar aur check kar lo requests with incredible patience. Nikhil bhai, Neville bhai, Yogesh bhai, Yashika, and the entire Beeline team working behind the scenes, thank you so much. To our extended IPO family, Mukulji, Apurva, and Harshit from MB Finance Services, SpreadX Securities, our market maker, Kiran Advisors, our investor relation partner, and Mr. Murali Krishnaji from KFin Technologies. Thank you all for standing with us. To the BSE team, Radha ma'am and entire BSE team, thank you for opening doors of Asia's oldest stock exchange to us. For a company that started in a college hostel room, standing here at BSE Mumbai is a real experience. Thank you so much, everybody in BSE. And to our Kratikal finance team, the people who lived inside spreadsheets for months so the rest of us could stand on this stage. Vinayji and the finance team, Anupji, our longtime C. Ankurji and his team, thank you so much. And finally, the most personal thank you for me, to my best friend and my wife, Vanya, for being with me since college days for the last 15 years. Thank you for being the catalyst in my life. It is always a great joy building anything when a great team is together. It has been a great joy building Kratikal and ThreatCorp alongside each one of you against every odds that came our way. And it is going to be joy pro max from here on, because we have new members in our team, our brand new shareholders. To our current and future shareholders and stakeholders, thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for the vote of thanks. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude today's ceremony. We are grateful to BSE, merchant banker, members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, the new shareholders, and all the viewers. Thank you so much for taking time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you once again. This is your host, Namrata Bhanushali, signing off. Do join us for tea, coffee, and refreshments. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a few set of moments.